Hello, I'm Armand, a faculty member here at CUNY, and I'll be your host for the student services portion of the CUNYfirst tour. Also joining us is Connor. Connor is a CUNY student who has some questions about CUNYfirst. Together, we'll try to explain features and benefits for both students and faculty and explore some of the ways this system will enhance the campus experience for everyone. Are you ready to get started?
Well, I've read my emails and I've seen flyers about this project, but I really want to know, what can I do with CUNYfirst?
That's a fair question, and I'll try to answer it as simply as I can. As a student, you can use one login to register, view your weekly schedule, keep current with live information streams, such as weekly updates and campus calendars, and access communication channels that allow you to connect with faculty, staff, advisors, and other students.
Okay, so all that with one login. I can see how that would be nice. And what about my personal information? If I can contact so many people, who can access my personal information? Anyone on the system?
Absolutely not. CUNYfirst was designed with a heavy-duty security system that protects your social security number and personal information.
All right, that works for me. And what do faculty members use it for?
Well, for faculty, this means access not only to their personnel and employment information, but also to their advising network and students' records. I can see a personalized list of students I teach and advise, complete with email addresses and phone numbers, all in one place. I also like the fact that I can use web attendance and grade rosters, and that I can use CUNYfirst to help my department plan course offerings and schedules.
Well, it all sounds nice, but it is still just another thing I have to do. And between school, internships, and my family, I feel like I don't have any more time.
I sympathize with that. I really do. But maybe CUNYfirst can help you save time. Let's explore a typical campus scenario using CUNYfirst. Over here on the right, we've got Connor's student information. And here on the left, we have a faculty member's, my own. Connor's in my 9 a.m. lecture, and I know he's got a busy schedule. Registration is coming up, and he needs certain courses to meet departmental and degree requirements. CUNYfirst allows me to send Connor an email directly, or, because he's in my network, I can get in touch with his advisor. Later, when Connor logs on to the system, he'll see notices from me and from his advisor. And no matter what time it is, Connor can not only respond to our emails, but also schedule an appointment right then and there without playing phone tag.
No phone tag and an appointment that works with my schedule? That's awesome. You know what I could really use some help with? Understanding my financial aid. It can get so complicated. Does CUNYfirst do anything to help with that?
Actually, there's a feature in CUNYfirst called the 3 C's: communication, checklist, and comments, and it was created to help students keep track of their financial aid information. A contact from the financial aid office will help you set yours up. Together, you'll create a checklist that summarizes major milestones in your financial aid timeline. You can use this personalized checklist to make sure you're meeting your deadlines and keep up with important contact information. After you've registered, you can pay your tuition bill online with a credit card, which will automatically update your CUNYfirst records.
Okay, that's cool. Definitely helpful. But life happens, you know. Last semester I was out of town with a family emergency during registration, and I couldn't get into one of my required courses. That really set me back. Can CUNYfirst help me manage things like that?
It should. You can access CUNYfirst from any remote location. And with real-time registration data, you can get up-to-date information on class availability.
I think that will help, but those required classes fill up so fast.
That's true. But say you're searching for a class that's already full. CUNYfirst has a waitlist feature for classes. Next time you log in, you can see if you've moved up on the list or if you've received a vacancy notice, so you can register for the course. Faculty will have the freedom to opt in and out of this feature for specific classes or entire department offerings.
I guess you've covered a lot of things that matter to me.
Well, we've tried. It's taken years of research, planning, and cooperation from lots of people around the university to create a system that can offer our students and faculty the type of flexibility and support that will be a real benefit to them.
Well, honestly, it sounds like something that could work for me. It fits into my schedule and helps me keep things organized. I'm looking forward to using it.
Great. Thanks for joining us, Connor. And that goes for everyone. We hope that you enjoy using CUNYfirst and learn to use it to its full functionality. Thanks for stopping by.